Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 30th of June, 2023. We're going to talk about Virgin Galactic real quick, and I'm going to show you that the market in space, it lost its spark. There are some issues here on the price chart that I want to address and show you that, yes, my prior price prediction, I did not get it correct. I mean, immediately the market determined that my prediction, I was on the wrong side. And I want to show you all how you can tell the difference and when you should have left the market, understanding that this was not a win. And you will come across these, but you should become more proficient in understanding that's okay, cool. I still need to recognize when I am on the wrong side. That's the thing that so many people don't view when they look at stocks. They see things one direction. They see things directionally, meaning that they only see it going one way. They don't consider the aspects of, okay, what if I am incorrect in my analysis? At what point would I need to leave and exit out this position? Let's talk about that now, right now in space, because I did not get this right. And it's pretty much, we realized right off the bat, pretty much the next day or the day that I did a price prediction that, yeah, you're on the wrong side. Because after we did our video in space on the 21st of June, the market immediately got hit with some volatility. Price went down and the market closed 5%. So automatically your mentality needs to be, okay, something is not right. Because the prior day we saw a very good move to the upside, up 27%, right? And when you put this into conjunction, you got to say, okay, something obviously is going on. Someone on the 21st of June sold out their positions. And not only that, it continued the next day because space closed down almost 7% on the 22nd. Now, I had the area of support, meaning that I was going to continue to look forward for price in space to go up as long as the market held $5. That was it. And the market there on the 22nd did do that. But then it was the next day, right? Here, the next day, the 23rd, market down 18.42%. Okay, so that's 3 consecutive days that the market in space has closed lower than the prior day. Something is not right. Now, I also identified this trend line into the market in space. Can you tell whether or not the market in space is bullish around this line or not? Because we got one indicator weakness here, a fake, and then we have another indicator weakness, a push to go down bar, right around the same vicinity. What should we do? What should we expect into the market in space? Because this prior price prediction was not right. So if we were to get out on the close of yesterday, we will be down around 30%. That fast, quick, easy. That's why you want to see both perspectives of the markets, because you want to eliminate those prospects of increasing losses. The idea is to increase profit and not losses. Okay, so that's just an example of us not getting it right and how you can tell how soon should you cut out your position, because you're not going to get every price prediction correct. Like, let's admit it, that's not going to happen, especially if you're a human being trying to delve into people's mentalities and their emotions about what they think about a stock. So that did not go correct. And what we're going to do here is we may have to allow the market in space to continue to consolidate. We may just need to see this market consolidate before we actually see a definitive trend occur in this market. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that first. We're going to identify the trend into the market in space. And since this last breakout move to the upside, it got rejected at $6, we're going to lower this area as resistance now. Okay, so this is about the range that we can see space trade. Okay, now this market is not on a breakout. It tricked a whole lot of people, especially me, that the market was about to break out of the $6 range, and it didn't even occur. Let's look at space on the 2-day chart. And this is another indication to show you that price is still weak into the market in space. You saw this indicator of weakness here. Okay. Market went back up the next 2 days, but we're coming right back down. So it's like the people who bought the market in space on this 2-day price bar did it for nothing, because the market still went down. And not only is that confirmation that $6 is still resistance, there's a resistance area even here around $5. The market could not even break $5 to the upside on that 2-day price bar. Look at this on the 3. Another massive spread bar. Look at that. Down 27.5% in 3 days right there. Okay. And now you guys can see on this current 3-day price bar, we're still seeing individuals selling space because the market closed down here towards the lower end of the bar. Now, the only thing that could keep this market in space up and not necessarily crashing and continue to go lower is right here. There's a potential that the market could hold $4. I can see that. Look at this on the 5. This 5-day price bar is ridiculous. Massive up fake garnered right there. Massive. Ended the day down. We're starting out on a new 5-day bar. I wouldn't be surprised to see the market come down to 375, 350 off of the 5-day, this 5-day price bar here. And then let's look at this on the weekly. Okay. So the only way that I would say that the market is going to really hold price at $4 if we see something like this. You guys can see this weekly price bar, right? That's weakness. We would expect market to continue to go lower, but that's not what happened the next week. Market went up instead. So if we see that again around $4, then it tells me that the buyers are currently stepping in around $4. Okay. So all in all, I think the market in space is going to continue to drift. And given that that's the case, we're going to go ahead and place some weakness in the market. Not extreme weakness, because I mean, how low can you really go when you're already trading at $4? Like the lowest you can ever go is 0. You do have a floor, an ultimate floor that price can go. So there are some areas that we've already been in terms of price movement that space has found buyers. Okay, so we just want to address that. So let's go ahead and put this on the chart. And that first target I think was $4. So that's 5.44%. Okay. That second target, it's going to be around like 380, 385. That's 9.46. And third target is going to be around 370, which is 12.29% market move. And we're going to hold the resistance area, even though we know it's all the way up there around 6. This recent movement of rejection at 5, we're going to hold that as resistance as well. Okay. So that is it. I am done. Give me your thoughts. Let me know what you guys think about space now. Do you think it's just merely just going to continue to consolidate, or do you think we're really going to see the market crash and break below the support area of $3.40? Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.